Today, we had the pleasure to visit Onyx Forge Studio, so our NHM puppeteers can try out the new Dakota puppet modifications and make any final adjustments to the puppet.
So we have a whole new head mechanism and neck mechanism for the puppet that is very different than the way we used to operate and steer the head. We also have a new backpack and harness. We want the puppet to stay in place, so I like to really lock these down. Feels good. I can just feel that. Oh, these feel so good. So these are the arm stilts, which have basically bicycle brake type handles in them. It's not hooked up now, but one of them will operate the mouth and one of them will make the eyes blink. And then we can take our arm out. We have our arm up here to do some finer expressions. Feed me. It feels fantastic.
It just feels more like some smaller movements are easier to express now. Feels good. It feels more responsive in a way, but easier on my body.
Feels weird, but yeah, weird is good.
The newer backpack feels closer to my body, and it feels like everything I'm doing translates a little bit easier to the larger puppet outside.
Now we can raise our heads without raising the puppet head.
Yeah.
And have better visibility and more range of motion.
It's a learning curve for sure to adjust what I used to do versus what she wants to do now.
You guys happy?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we're really happy.
And Dakota wasn't the only one getting some work done. Hunter, our T-Rex puppet, is getting a much-needed clean and a new paint job as well. All in all, we had a great day at Onyx Forge Studio, and we can't wait to see these puppets back in action at NHM, performing for our guests.
You happy, Dakota?